Today I'll be making a second channel. First thing you want to do is open Chrome, and you have to be signed in to your Google account, and then you're gonna search up youtube.com, and you're gonna open YouTube, and then you're gonna go and click on your account and go to settings all the way down there, right there. Then you can explore around here, like check out what there is, but for now you just press the add or manage manage accounts or channels, same thing, and then you press create channel. You click create channel, and then you type in the name of the channel you want, and this means you have been you agreed to the terms and policies of YouTube. So yeah, so I'm gonna do Lego Fun and click create, and then after that it's technically done. You can customize it, you can do manage videos, you can do a million other things, and yeah, that's how you make it. Thanks for watching.